Back time, you know. Yeah, just lift up your arm, star, and like something.
That's weird. Delete that.
Good morning, team. Smashers. What are you doing today?
I can't say, I see that for your vlog. Nah, just delete it. Start on every day.
Starting over.
Because me have an active.
Video start over. Right.
No, delete that.
I want straight.
No. Delete it.
Morning, team.
Delete it. That's it.
My girl, chillax so much, chillax. But at 9 something. At 9 something now, I will decide to like go eat out. This is dinner slash lunch. Well, the soup. If you declare something cheap, that just sound dumb.
That's not. Just delete this up.
Why didn't I go far for that? But yeah, we just why?
Just
never edit out it. It only for something say on the arm. I say, oh, me fix it. Me fix it up. Me fix it up. You just give me more black footage right now for no reason. For no reason. But yeah, we're going to lunch now. I'm going to show you how we're feeding. Both of them order chicken wrap. She follow me but order chicken wrap too. What?
It don't make sense to continue it.
It makes sense. It's a good black footage right now. Good
no.
Right now, this will give me a title and a thumbnail and a watch a thumbnail. Alright, so far, but when she done get her trouble. Put it down for the vlogging.
What do you know about that?
What do you mean by know about it? I know for mommy care of it. I said to her, yo, I just come up here.
Friends. I one time I saw a female in that nothing can it feel. We got my vlog name, no, somebody said it's me funny.
Can you see up on the vlog?
Yes, but when I remember it, yes, I couldn't go check.
No, I tell you.
Yes, remember now.
Yeah, good. Feel famous, you know.
You feel famous too.
Alright, we're digging that, you know. I leave some phone still, so in the comment section, just comment whether or not you want some. I'm gonna ship you out to you. But tell me for fries or sandwich you want. Let me know. Or if you want to look at ketchup on it, or look at salt. But then and dash. Forward. Forward the one. Then and dash, you know that. Tell me. Come on, man. Coming fast.
How will you say a girl?
You don't like that. If we make it in the UK, dogs, I'm off living. Yo, it's extremely late, but we shall. Tired. I need air, bro. Alright, save me, man. Save me. Alright, here's the right over this. Me and just go run across and Dine low key. But we have to go in. Like undercover, you see. So we are deep down a corner where it's more congested. How that sound? Tell them so we accidentally run off track. We have images for proof.
How far an hour from me, Jenna?
Yes, I just see it. Alright, we make it. Wait, I'm not 100% sure if we save. Or we'd have to like, write up a name and sign up something. But we are done there. We are done this. But after, what position is there, Ryan? What position? Oh. Alright. Me and one guy say, left turn at the stoplight, we almost reached. Alright guys, content about me. Feel like we have a start now. How we cheat. You know, come. Eh? Yo. Feel like I cheated a run a while ago. I will start over. We just run probably less than a mile. So I start that back over back and finish it. Did it right with my conscience about me. You follow me? You follow me? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Open up, open up. Open up, open up. Open up, Aaron. Duty amount of people are passing. Sure, no, I know nothing below. My number for my shirt. Sure that I want to have people pass with you. Kids, show no fi litter legally. Only no participating in an event. I drink liquor, it's a bitch. It was fun while it lasted. So that was Guardian Lives 5K run. We did it, we did it, we did it. Placed about 8, as me say, number for my shirt, something like that, my place. And yeah, it was lit. Actually enjoyed it just a bit, but only thing now, if I walk go back to the car, I go back downtown. We're not alone, so I can vlog. I have witnesses. If somebody comes out those bushes. Home sweet home, bro. Close. How was it, boy? Good, man. Watch your step, bro. So that we touring. Very nice, man. Hey. 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 Hi, Smash, where you know all these spots, bro? Nice. Nice. Alright, guys. This lady, like, she's an arts person. She's very interested in, like, arts and all that, but I can't, like, video or paint it because she said I'm on release, so I can't video anything else except for the paint it. We're just going to view our house, like, we just come view our house because we have those plugs and we can. So we'll just come view our house and them thing there. Now, like, it's super hot, like, I would take a dive in this, but as you can see, this isn't clean. So whatever else you have to show me, I'm going to share with you, I'm going to see. But Janelle there, Nikon there, and just a view. Can't show no much because our paintings are very, what do you call it now, confidential. Did you get it?
Yeah, taste it.
No. Alright then.
Okay, take
Thank you very much. Alright. Hey. Oh, good. Ended up warm hot. Yeah. They're huge, bro. Come on, let's go. Sick, man. Hey. Yeah, man. Kind of confused just to see. I don't know, madam, I don't know what take place. Vlog just all over the place, though. As usual. I don't know, man. I don't know how I'm going. I don't know what I vlog I did. I'm gonna follow back with some people right now. Slippery when wet. Hey, hey. Oh my god.
Okay, let me get the...
Just move the tree and move the building.
You guys have the form?
Form? No, just bring one from me.
So beautiful. What?
Boy is gonna meet with you.
Okay. So we're getting a little private tour. You feel me?
I can show you first. We can see the prayer room.
Prayer room. Okay. You thought man got 3 from you thought man got 3. Oh.
They meet here every day. There's
Very
always
nice.
music play. You can come here, pray anytime, play instruments, have worship, whatever you want. But
Crazy.
it's really nice. And then some people come here, like some missionaries come if they want to retreat, or pastors or leaders, like if they just want some time to get away. Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
So if you, I don't know if you guys would want to, you're invited to come to see the arrival,
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
but it's at 6 a.m.
Yeah, cool. It's too early for you, you know.
And it's gonna,
You
actually,
look
it's better for us to walk this way to go on the other side. Sorry.
You look sick. Wait, Jenna, just hold this and just capture me right here so my free screen.
Alright, you ready though?
Thumbnail life. Thumbnail life. Beautiful spot. Right now, we're currently located behind the airport, on the side of the airport. Where this bit road, ish like I see a lot of unauthorized stuff. I'm gonna end the vlog here, coming to know how long this vlog is going, how far this vlog is going. So I'm gonna end this vlog in this beautiful area. I'm gonna think none of you guys have been before and call it a day.
Area 51.
Area 51. So see some soldiers and military people that start pulling them down. But however, Team Ismash, I'm watching this vlog, guys. I sign out from me and Nick and Chanel. See you in tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow's my birthday, guys. Our day when the day when this video drops. It's my birthday on June the 6th. Tell me happy birthday. I'm following up with Team Ismash. Thanks for watching this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next vlog for this week, like back to back videos. Don't know. I'm out.